What's going on YouTube? So today we have the Firebird, but we have a Z28 30th edition blown head gaskets. This is the project for the day. We got Chris draining the oil, and we're gonna get the oil and everything out. Then we could take oil filter to take this headers off. We take this headers off, then we'll take the heads off, get everything cleaned up, and put it back together. This is the project that I've had going for about a week now. I'll give you guys an update when we get the heads off. Alright, so we got the headers, but they have been a pain. We got them off just to get the heads off. One bolt would not come out, which was kind of whack. I don't think you can get this header out unless you take the head off. So yeah, it's been a pain, but here's the process. We're getting these loose first, then get the bolts. Then we'll take these out. And we're gonna mark them and get them done. Alright, we got the head covers, intake, water pump, painted them copper, put a nice glossy coat on it. The heads are looking kind of rough. I either gotta machine them, or if I could get some new ones, that'll be perfect. Alright, this is the intake and the rest of the paint. I'm gonna show you guys the chassis. Alright, so we got the chassis over here. We did a silver, covered everything that we could, and we just left some of the wires exposed, because really don't matter. There's gonna be a lot replaced. A lot of them are. We just wanted to paint the arms where that goes, and this side nice and glossy. We did a lot of overspray, but we put a nice clear coat, and it's gonna be like color shift, so it won't matter. It's gonna look good. Very good. Very good. Alright guys, well, this is the chassis. Getting it, all the rust spots that it had, go ahead and cover those up. That's what we did pretty much. We cleaned it up, degreased it, did all the 9 yards behind it. That way when we put it back, it's gonna look good. It's gonna look real good. Alright, we'll show you guys the next process.